Lucky us, Chennai is made up of some wonderful people whose memories, personalities and machines find its way into the Metro Plus show. And as always, we shoot snippets of the supplement and bring you a packed half hour of people stories. We have a night owl kick-starting this show. A young DJ who's pretty old in the profession. DJ Tuhin Mehta bears it all about his music, his love for paintball and his hopes to keep Chennai's nightlife alive and kicking.
While most teenagers hit the floors at clubs and discos for a taste of the high life, Tuhin Mehta took to DJ consoles to get high on music. The secret behind this DJ's success is his music, which is as distinct as his contrasting moods. A cheerful day for him translates into a night of energy tech, as his friends term it. A pensive day compels him to disconnect from music completely and throw the doors open to a date with nature and silence.
There have been days when it's the middle of the week and I wanted to party, but there's no place to go, you know. And then there have been huge weekends when there's been a lot of activity everywhere and I just wanted to relax. There are moments that you're playing like really energetic set and you feel that you want to shift things up a little, and then you drop like, let's say, a nice euphoric vocal track or slightly uplifting. And it gives people that, you know, sometimes people will just be overwhelmed with the change. You will see emotions run, you know, people will just either be shocked or completely taken in by what you've, you know, now suddenly lifted them. It's your journey.
From a city that danced to the tunes of filmy numbers and remixes, Tuhin took an adventurous step to mix genres and sub-genres to create eclectic music with tribal tracks and techie beats.
Now it's got a very healthy audience that will come out and listen to it or want to listen to it, you know, as opposed to things like Bollywood and hip-hop, which is more commercially viable. You know, this is something that's not been done too often, and now it's gaining momentum. So yes, there's a lot of, you will have a lot of younger people who, you know, who are suddenly discovering, but on the other hand, there are a lot of older people, you know, who have been following music for a long period of time, who also are into it. So it's a really nice mix of people.
Tuhin was instrumental in organizing long electronic dance music nights called Submerge in many clubs throughout the country. And its people submerged literally in this newfangled variety of tunes.
We have our own movement called Submerge, which we do electronic nights across the country in various clubs. But we figured that we need to take it to the next level. You know, Percept came in, they sat down with Nikhil, and today Sunburn is probably, you know, the biggest property that one can have in terms of electronic dance music.
This deadly DJ is always on his toes, putting together festivals not just in favored destinations like Goa, but in beaches like our own Marina and Elliott's. If he is not found shooting techie tunes at the discos, Tuhin is on the field playing paintball.
I've always been into the shooting sports. I used to shoot for the state. I was a junior national champ in 1999. I had an accident in Goa and I was recovering from my surgery and everything, and a couple of my friends in Bangalore said, let's go, you know, paintball, there's a tournament. I said, okay, I don't know how well I'll be able to do, but let's go. Turns out that, you know, the skills that I picked up when I was shooting work just as well in paintball. And then, you know, last year we set up a field on OMR Road.
Tuhin's choice of sport and the music he plays is off track, but it eventually lands him on the right track to glory.
More techno power to you, Tuhin. Coming up next on the show, a walk in the wilderness. Karaikudi Mani's Memories of Madras.